Hi guys, welcome back. It's your girl Tasha. But if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Tasha. I'm at the Dollar Tree. Even though I got Dollarama behind me, I'm just a Dollar Tree girl because the prices are just better. Sometimes I do notice that some things at the Dollar Tree like I'm not gonna buy, but today I'm gonna be looking for cleaning products for my car. Okay, my car is a disaster. Embarrassingly, it's a disaster. Honestly, I've always heard that saying, like, cleanliness is next to godliness, and it is true when even when it comes to your mind, because I notice like if the space around me is very clean, I can think better. I was like, you know what, let me grab some cleaning supplies from Dollar Tree, because I notice when I go to the place to go wash my car, I usually let them do the outside and the inside. Yo, by the time I go in my car and I look, I might as well clean it myself. It would never be done properly, and it's not like it happened like once or twice. No, it happened like almost every time I went there, and I noticed the more the price went up, the quality went down. Like, what's up with that? Like, how am I spending more to get less? No. And then I end up having to clean it out myself anyways after spending close to $40. I do believe that I have like car washing soap to wash my car at home. Next, I'm gonna go to the gas station and just vacuum it out a little bit. But like for me, I like to put my liquid change in there, and I don't want to do it twice, so I'll be doing it like really quick so that I could just do it in one shot. So I'm gonna try and get a little bit of that. But honestly, before I had kids, my car was like spick and span. The things that I threw out before I even came to Dollar Tree today, ridiculous. But it's like, it's life. What am I gonna do? Hopefully I can find everything I need to clean this car, cause what? Let's go inside and see what we gonna find on a budget to clean this dirty car.
And that is $3.39.
Okay guys, so I'm in Dollar Tree. I really hope this location, because I was gonna go to the other location, but I didn't want to drive so far. But we're gonna hope that this one has everything that I need. The other one just seems bigger to me, so it's like, for me, it just has everything. But this one should be all right. It should work out. Fingers crossed. So I found this section that has a whole bunch of car stuff here. And you can always look in the other aisles to see what they have to clean your car. So first I want to show you this all-purpose car wash. So this is an original car protectant, and it helps clean dust and dirt from the inside of your car. This cleans, shines, and protects. I also found a cleaning sponge that you could use on your car, and it's a powerful cleaning auto surfaces. Oh, so you just gotta wipe surface with a clean sponge. I don't know if it has any liquid on it, but you could probably use this with your car washing fluid, I believe so. They have different kinds here. So they also have some glass wipes that you could use on the windows of your car. It's for streaks. And they also have leather wipes that you could use if you have leather interior in your car. I don't have leather interior, I have cloth interior, and they have 2 wipes included in here. I'm actually gonna try these glass wipes. I hope that they actually work. Okay, so these are some air fresheners that they have. You can scratch right here in the corner and smell them. This is an ocean breeze scent. They also have a strawberry scent. This one you can't scratch and smell it, but for the most part it should smell like strawberries. They also have it in the fresh linen scent, and this one is a Hawaiian scent. They also have these mini ones that you could put in your car, so you can put it in different parts of your car. It shows you in the back here where you can actually clip them in, and these, they have it in different scents. This is, I think it's new car scent. I never buy new car scent because to me it's like, okay, like why are they? We have fresh linen scent. They also have these air fresheners, and it has little shapes of like, what is this, like a dragonfly, and they also have it looking like this little thing right here. So it's just little fun decorations that you could use in your car, be a little bit more fun for the kids. This is new car scent again, and then they also have it in the fresh linen scent. They also have these air fresheners that I usually pick up at the gas station. Doesn't particularly look like this, but it comes in a pack like that. And this is just one scent, and this is in strawberry. So that's basically what they had in this section when it came to cleaning your car. They also have some cleaning towels here, and this is microfiber cleaning towels. I guess if you needed to dry your car. I'm actually gonna get a pack of these because I'm gonna wash my car at home today. Just use the hose and just spray it down. I'm gonna wash it with some soap. Like I told you guys, I have car washing soap at home, but I also wanted to go in the next aisle and see if I see any other types of cleaning cloths so that I can wipe down the inside of my car. I was hoping that they had more cleaning stuff, but like, how much things do you need to clean your car, really and truly? And they have a box here, oh, with different car stuff. So this is wash wax. This, it's just a little liquid bag, so I guess if it's just like a one-time use, because after you use this you can't really seal it back unless you had like a bottle to put it in. And in this box it just has a whole bunch of different stuff. Oh no, it's just more of those cleaning sponges that I showed you guys earlier. Okay guys, so I'm gonna also go to the cleaning section where you can clean your car using other cleaning products. Plus I needed some stuff for the house as well, so I'm just gonna head over there and just grab a couple things. The microfiber cloth, you could use this to dust off your car, like on the inside. There's bare dust in my car right now, so you know I'm buying this. I think I need like a little bath, like a little bucket. Okay, we have a little bucket here, so I'm grabbing this bucket here so that I can use it to soap up my car a bit. It's a great size actually, look at that. So this is gonna be where I put my little soap water mixture. I'm also gonna need some cleaning cloths for the car. I'm just gonna grab these gray ones so that I can clean inside, like the cup cleaner, and just wipe off the interior. I'm also gonna grab a pack of blue ones because I am running low on these. You can also grab things like gloves and stuff if you don't want to like get your hands fully involved. I do notice that I have to start using gloves when I wash the dishes. I do wash more on the warmer side because I remember when I used to work in a kitchen, this like years ago, it was in a hotel, and like I noticed that they didn't use a lot of soap and stuff. It was one of those industrial ones and just put everything inside that hot thing. So it's like, to me, the more hotter the water, the more cleaner my dishes are gonna be. You know, that's just me, and it just works better that way. But it's not good when it comes to my hands because I've been noticing they be looking pretty crusty, dusty. So I think I have to start using gloves. I don't really want to have to, but I just find that the gloves just annoy me a lot when I use them. But I wanted to show you guys that they do have like pack of 8 gloves. If I do use gloves, I'd rather use these ones because I feel like they grip my hand a bit more than these large ones. It just leaves a lot of space on my hands and the water gets inside, and that's when I just get annoyed, you know. But these are a pack of 2. They're bigger if you do prefer to use something like this. This is a pack of 8, so 4 usages if you're going to use both hands. They also have it in like pink, and yeah, this is the pink one, and they're heavy duty. These are heavy duty pink ones, and then the previous yellow ones that I showed you, those were reusable. They have a small and large, so hopefully there's a medium somewhere here, but I see small and large. I'm gonna head to the checkout now, and I'm gonna continue this at the gas station where I'm gonna go and vacuum out my car. You guys, you know how much I am boiling? It's September 5th, first day back to school, and I'm boiling.com. And one thing I want to say, because I've been noticing this a lot and it's frightening as ever, why is the road so ridiculously? The other day I was driving in the early morning. I'm not lying. I seen a person driving beside me, not even driving, they were like this. You guys, they were sleeping. They were sleeping and the light was green. I literally had to honk my car and be like, wake up, wake up. We got to the next light and they did this again. Like, it's not funny, but it was so frightening. I wasn't alone in the car. I wasn't the only one that seen it, okay? Life is stressful. It's tiring. People have to work. Oh my gosh, that vacuum is on, so you guys probably didn't even hear me, but I was just telling you how I seen people sleeping. It's one thing to drive bad on the road or just have like ridiculous driving skills, but let's not sleep. Let's not sleep while we're driving. If you are tired, pull over, take a nap. Why are we risking other people's lives on the road here? They were sleeping. And it's not like they were sleeping and they woke up and they continued driving. They slept again. And they're looking at me like I did something wrong. Unless they're looking at me in shock, like, oh my gosh, I was on the road and I fell asleep. But it was just looking like they were upset that I caught them sleeping. But I've been driving at nighttime, and like on the weekend, and I see people sleeping behind the vehicle, behind the wheel. And if it's like 2, 3 in the morning, I'm just like, what are you on? Like, why are you sleeping in your mouth is like open? Like, that's not okay, guys. Other people are on the road here. You're not just only thinking about yourself. Anything could happen. Pull over, take a nap, whatever. I was just saying this today because today's pretty hot, and I'm like, people are driving like they have no sense. Other people come on the road fine and dandy, well awake. They shouldn't have to suffer for your negligence of sleeping or just not looking in your rear view mirrors or not taking the road serious. Take the road seriously. I've been on the road for how long? I have to open the window because it's hot. For how long? I've been driving for decades, okay? The road is not the same like it used to be. People are not caring. But anywho, I'm at the gas station about to clean my car. I don't know how much footage I can take of this because, you know, it's gonna be pretty hectic. But before I leave you guys and like try to clean this dirty mess, I want to show you guys what I got from the Dollar Tree. This has all my stuff inside, and she just put it in the bucket here instead of wasting her bag, even though I need a plastic bag. But yeah, I ended up getting the microfiber cleaning cloths, and this is a pack of 2. I got the Hawaiian scented. I got these microfiber cleaning cloths. This one is for my car. This one is for the house. I got this to dust out this dusty vehicle right now. I also got the cleaning protectant to put on the interior of this car here. And I also, what did I pick up? Well, I also got these glass wipes because I want to see if it will actually clean the windows on my car, because I noticed I've been cleaning the outside of it and it's still dirty, so clearly it's from the inside. Guys, don't mind me. I like to chuckle and just, you know, make the best out of life. But before I leave you guys, I just wanted to say thank you for clicking on this vlog. Thank you guys for tuning in. It means so much to me. Building my channel means so much to me. You know, I'm starting to love being here from time. And to those who are shopping on a budget, girl, I got you. Make sure you tune in because I'll be shopping on a budget as much as I can over here because your girl got big dreams. And in order for those dreams to come true, I have to have manners with my spending. But yes, anyways, until next time, guys, leave a heart in the bottom. Today we're gonna leave a purple heart. If you made it to the end of this video, guys, leave a purple heart. Thank you for rocking with me. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye. Oh my gosh, guys, I wanted to tell you guys, as soon as I wheeled in, it is $3 to vacuum my car. I don't remember how much it used to be, but if you guys remember how much it was to vacuum your car in Canada like not too long ago, let me know. I'm pretty sure it was like, was it like $1 or even like $2? This $3 mark is pretty high. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that before I go. But yeah, anyways, guys, bye.